Morning, guys. So somewhere here in the hills of Meghalaya, we are discovering come here somewhere where you'll see a very beautiful sight. I'll just show you one of the wonders of nature in Meghalaya again, the highest living root bridge, I would say the entire country, maybe the world. Here in Meghalaya, there Frankie is there already. You see, wow, what the depth and the height. You see, guys, it rained, so it's a bit tricky. I'll just go there slowly. Oh, Mr. Frankie is already there, as you can see. Guys, once more show you, now that Frankie has crossed over the highest living root bridge, quite tricky, slippery, wow, dangerous also. Oh man, if you fall from here, you're gone. Be very careful. Slowly we go, just holding on. Wow, man. I'm scared of heights, but if you fall, you're gone, man. That another view, guys, from the highest living root bridge, the entire country. Wow, there, man. You want to see there? Woo! I'm scared as hell. Danger. The sun is also not out today. Danger. See, beautiful, but sights and scenes. Been here, witnessed it. Now just crossing it, guys. The Frankie is there, and I'm running now. Finally, man, there is there. We die if we cross this, guys. Hey, any express gonna die? You did. You're not dead, but
Not dead,
yeah. So we are here finally. See. Oh, danger! Another glimpse in between the living root bridge, or the highest one in Meghalaya. Wow, man, it's deep, but beautiful streets and sceneries, as we can see. Wow, we are gone, man. No chance. But there we'll be making our breakfast today. Beautiful, isn't it? Somewhere in the hills of Meghalaya. Another wonder of nature. Wow. Showing the last glimpses before I go there, head towards my breakfast area.